There's a ground ball back up the middle. Second baseman has a little trouble handling it, and Katz is on with a single. There's a line shot into right field. That's going to get down for a hit. That's going to be extra bases. That's going to score a run. So Katz comes in, and it's a stand-up double for Vinegras. And the pitch. It's a line shot out to center field. That's going to drop in for a base hit after the diving try by the center fielder, and the game is now tied. And here's the 2-2. Ground ball up the middle. Fielded by the shortstop. Oh, this plays it. Goes into center field. That's going to score another run. And it's a 2-1 ball game. A little wind picking up here for us. There's a line shot out in the left center field. It looks like that might score the tying run. We'll see as the throw comes in. Yes, it will score the tying run, and it is a 2-2 ball game. There's a line shot into left field, drops in for a single, and it is still remains a 2-2 ball game, but back-to-back singles. Comes set and delivers. There's a ground ball to second base, throw over to first, and that is 2 outs. But Dylan does come in to score. There's a ground ball in the hole between third and short, and Miller's on with a single. There's a line shot into left center. That's going to score a tying run, and it gets behind the right fielder. So this is going to be extra bases for Katz. And Katz will go all the way into third with a triple. The pitch. Ground ball down to first base. First baseman tosses over to the pitcher. He doesn't catch it, and that scores a run. There's a fly ball just outside the reach of the shortstop in between the center fielder, and Luke is on with his second single of the day. Bolts up to bat here in the bottom of the fifth, and they trail by 1. There's a pop fly left center. That's going to get down for a hit. They might get him at second. Oh, no, they didn't throw it in. And so runners at first and second with nobody out. And here is the 2-0 pitch to Ryder. Pop fly. Shortstop's going back. That's going to drop in for a single, and then the tying run is going to come in. So it's a tie ball game. And they need to get at least one to help try to extend this game. There's a line shot in center field. Center fielder, it drops in for a single, and Venegas is on. And the pitch. There's a fly ball in the left field. That's going to get down for a single. That gets past the left fielder. That's going to score the tying run. And the go-ahead run is at second base. And here's the 1-1. It's a fly ball in the gap. That's going to get down, and that's the ball game. Mikey hits a walk-off single to win it for the Lutz Bolts. I'm sorry, Gabriel hits a walk-off single to win it for the Lutz Bolts as Dylan comes in and scores.